Jerry, welcome to the Law Show.
Hi. About a year and a half ago, maybe even 2 years ago, I went ahead and I went to this doctor the first time, and I told her, what I was allergic to, and I'm very allergic to penicillin, sulfa, and all that. And anyway, she gave me a prescription that was like, I don't know if it was 5 times stronger, but it was sulfa. And I took one pill, and I broke out. I had a severe reaction. They called it anaphylactic.
Anaphylactic shock is what they call it.
Yeah. And so I went to emergency and everything, and then after they took care of me, they told me to contact the doctor that gave me the prescription, and she wouldn't see me. They said, oh, she's busy. Finally, about a week later, I seen her, and she just said, oh, I apologize.
All right, so let me ask you this. You said this happened a year ago, right?
About a year and a half ago, I think.
Okay, well, that's the first issue. And the first issue in every medical malpractice case is, are you still within the statute of limitations? And the medical malpractice statute of limitations in Michigan is 2 years, so it sounds like you're still okay. Now, the next question is, did the doctor breach the standard of care? If the doctor knew and is recorded in your records with the doctor's office that you were allergic to that medication and she went ahead and gave it to you anyway, then she's definitely breached the standard of care because you're not supposed to do things like that. Now, the other question is, and this is most important, probably the one that's going to maybe hang you up a little, and that is, did you sustain any damages? You had anaphylactic shock, but how is it affecting you now? Or did you recover?
I really don't know if it's affected me now or not. I have been sick, but I can't really say if that's from that.
So you were sick from the anaphylactic shock. Did you go to the hospital?
Oh yeah.
Were you in the hospital overnight?
I called to my name. Pardon me?
Were you in the hospital overnight?
No.
Okay. Listen. Most cases like yours are going to be a medical malpractice case for sure. The doctor clearly breached the standard of care. And in Michigan, you're not entitled to have the best medical care. You're only entitled to have average medical care. That's what the standard of review in Michigan is for medical malpractice cases. So your problem is that your case doesn't present a substantial likelihood of recovering enough damages to justify the cost and expense of going through a case like yours, which is probably going to be somewhere in the neighborhood of $5,000 to $15,000. So you're getting caught up in the economic vagaries of litigation in a medical malpractice case. However, what you can do, and what I encourage you to do, is to contact the Michigan State Medical Society and the Attorney General. Mike Cox, a good friend of our office, and make a complaint to both of those offices about this doctor to make sure this doesn't happen again, okay? And we're going to continue answering all your legal questions at 866-66-LAWYER. That's 866-66-LAWYER.